Today I'm at number 40 Trelinnoe Gardens. It's in South Petherwin. It's a close off a close, if you like, of I can see 3 houses where I am, the one next to me and 2 in front, so nice and tucked away here. You've got fields to the other side of you, which is quite nice, and far-reaching views out towards Dartmoor. The property itself is a detached 3-bedroom property. The garden at the back is laid out so there's no grass or anything. It's all paved and you can use it any time of the year to enjoy the weather. Out the front here you've got parking for a car on the drive. You've also got a lawned area, which I'm sure if you needed more parking you could create more parking if you wanted to. Inside you've got a great kitchen, you've got mains gas, so oil-fired central heating, double glazing, lovely big living room with a sunroom off the back, and upstairs you've got 3 bedrooms, all doubles, one's en suite, and a lovely family bathroom as well. So I would say watch the video, then book a viewing. The other thing is there is a dining room too, converted from the garage. So everything covered now. Enjoy.